Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all are doing well. Friends, hidden in the mountains of ancient China lies a structure so massive it can be seen from space. But do you know it's a secret? The Great Wall isn't just bricks and stones. It's a silent witness to wars, legends, and empires that rose and fell. Today, we uncover the mysteries behind one of the world's greatest wonders. So yes friends, I think you've guessed it right. Today, we're going to talk about the Great Wall of China. So let's talk about it in detail. The Great Wall of China is a vast network of fortifications built across northern China. Originally constructed to defend ancient Chinese states and imperial China from nomadic invasions, the wall spans centuries of Chinese history. Construction begins as early as the 7th century BC, but it was during the Qing dynasty that various regional walls were unified. Over time, successive dynasties enhanced and extended the structure, with the most iconic section built during the Ming dynasty. Strategically designed and enduring symbolic, the Great Wall remains are of the most impressive architectural feats in human history. To strengthen its defense, the Great Wall of China incorporated watchtowers, barracks, garrisons, and signaling system using smoke and fire. It also served as a transportation route and helped regulate immigration, trade, and taxes, especially along the Silk Road. The wall stretches over 21,196 kilometers from Liaodong in the east to Lope Lake in the west, and from the Sino-Russian border to the Tao River, tracing the edge of the Mongolian steppe. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it was named one of the new 7 Wonders of the World in 2007 and stands as one of the history's greatest architecture achievement. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in another video. Allah Hafiz.